ACT Cram, English Language Conventions, Verb Tense, Irregular Past Tense, ACT Foundations, Question 15. Me Medicine, Antidote Your Ignorance. ACT English Foundation, Verb Tense, Question 15. Complete the sentence with the verb in the past tense. Aaron blanked down to pick a flower. The task here is to shift the tense of bend to its past tense form. Here's what I need you to understand. Most verbs are regular in the past tense. That means you follow a rule like add ed or add d to get the past tense form of the verb. Some verbs are irregular in the past tense. That means you don't follow a rule. Instead, you must remember the past tense form of the verb. Check out this example. Jacob lost his keys. Lost is the irregular past tense form of the verb lose. This is a correct shift, and the overall sentence is formatted correctly. All right, back to our original question, and now for the solution. Bent is the past tense form of bend. This is an irregular verb form, so you must commit it to memory.